Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account and app basics because the most common causes are wrong account or outdated app. Sign into the Google account you normally use on YouTube, then open the app or site and check for updates. Updates often restore missing UI elements. Once done, go to History Settings and ensure search history is enabled. You need to be in the same account where searches were made, otherwise nothing will appear. This quick verification prevents wasting time on deeper fixes. Next, you dig into app, browser, and Google settings because cached glitches or privacy controls often hide search history. Clear the YouTube app cache on mobile or clear cache and cookies in your browser. This forces the UI to reload. Then disable browser extensions or open an incognito window to rule out ad blockers or privacy extensions. Also, make sure web and app activity is enabled in your Google account, since search history is stored there. Once you've done these, refresh and recheck. To finish, you perform final restorative steps and a key troubleshooting move. Sign out of YouTube and sign back in. Syncing often restores history links. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall the app, or try a different browser or device to confirm whether the problem is local. Once done, check the Google account activity page directly for your search entries. If history still won't appear, one key step. Contact Google support with account details after verifying activity controls and device sync.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.